day, searching for flavors from their homeland dear. Natural ingredients, recipes they hold near. When familiar tastes were nowhere to be found, they crafted
perfect.
their own
Okay, thank you.
were spread around. Mass production couldn't match their flair, spices and love in every bite, beyond compare. Vlado and Elena, with hearts full of pride, crafting sausages side by side. Beef and pork with spices so fine, a taste of tradition every time. They mix Nebraska beef, Canadian pork, with salt, black pepper, paprika, oh what a work. Garlic and caraway in every bite, natural ingredients, pure delight. By the Slovak Embassy, their name did rise in Washington, D.C., beneath the sky, showcasing their sausages for royalty to the open house, where dreams run free. Vlado and Elena, with hearts full of pride, crafting sausages side by side. Beef and pork with spices so fine, a taste of tradition every time. On a Saturday in May, after Europe Day, the embassy doors open wide, hooray! From street festivals to this grand affair, their sausages now served with love and care. Vlado and Elena, with hearts full of pride, crafting sausages side